Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Vocabulary Series. Today is 31st of October 2021 and in this video we will learn that today what do we celebrate, what is today's vocab which we should implement in our daily life. Today is National Unity Day. Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on every 31st of October. Today is also 31st of October and this is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The government of India introduced the day in 2014. It was started in 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India. You all know Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel this year marks Patel's 146th birth anniversary. So on every birth anniversary of unit Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we celebrate Unity Day. So today we should remember him. He was the great leader of our country who united our all 565 riyasat. So let's continue to daily vocabulary. Today is Sunday and we will start the word with S. Sentient. Sentient means endowed with feeling and unstructured consciousness is called sentient. Sentient means, let's see what is sentient. Animate or sensate, having a physical sensation. So sensation means that the thing which is consciousness, not knowing, unstructured consciousness. Let's see this word in a sentence. Emotions and intelligence are connected with nerve structures in all sentient beings that we have experience and knowledge of. Means कि आपने जितना भी अभी तक experience knowledge किया है sentient means sensation आपके mind में उसको कहते हैं sentient. So use this word in daily life vocab or in your sentences. Sentient, you will get to know the new thing. Let's come to today's one word substitution and idiom. So today's one word substitution and idiom is very easy, which is a series of star is called in one word constellation. So you can see here constellation, a series of star. This constellation looks like a burger. तो ये burger की तरह लगता है, ठीक है. So this was the constellation, one word substitution. Today's phrasal verb or idiom we can say is set on the fence. Set on the fence means what does it mean? So it to be undecided, which is not decided, it is set on the fence. How you can use it? So you are set on the fence, you have not decided which side of an argument you agree. I am on the fence about hot yoga classes translate as I am not sure what I enjoy yoga in a sauna yet. This was daily vocabulary series. I hope that you like this video. Share and comment. Subscribe the channel for more.